after the universe got to the size of a melon. Some point after that, it was expanding and cooling, and something crystallized or condensed out into empty space.
NASA has long been at the forefront of technological innovation, pushing the boundaries of human achievement. From landing on the moon to exploring Mars, its work has reshaped our understanding of the universe. Yet, a recent event has sent shockwaves through the scientific community, an event so unbelievable that it raises more questions than answers. NASA, in collaboration with leading tech companies, designed a quantum computer intended to revolutionize space exploration, artificial intelligence, and even our comprehension of reality. However, it was abruptly shut down, and no one is willing to discuss why. What did NASA's quantum computer uncover? Why was it decommissioned without explanation? And is there a truth so profound that it cannot be revealed? The reality may be stranger than anyone could imagine. The reason behind NASA's quantum computing experiment. Before delving into the unsettling incident, we must first understand why NASA was experimenting with quantum computing. Unlike traditional computers, which process information using binary bits, either 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously. This ability, known as superposition, allows quantum computers to process information at unimaginable speeds, solving complex problems that would take classical computers millions of years to compute. NASA was particularly interested in using quantum computing for space travel and deep space exploration. The goal was to simulate black holes, gravitational waves, and quantum mechanics on a cosmic scale. However, during these simulations, something extraordinary occurred. The incident that changed everything. In a top-secret facility, NASA's quantum computer was running simulations to predict space-time anomalies. It was designed to help scientists understand how the universe behaves on both microscopic and macroscopic levels. But soon, something unimaginable began to happen. According to leaked reports, the quantum computer started producing data that defied the laws of physics. The numbers it generated appeared in sequences that made no sense, with values that did not exist in any known mathematical model. At first, scientists thought it was an error, but as they continued analyzing the data, a disturbing pattern emerged. The numbers suggested that our universe was being influenced by something unseen, something that didn't belong in our reality. Then, something even more disturbing occurred. The quantum computer produced a message. The message from beyond. One researcher working on the project reported that, as the quantum computer ran its calculations, it suddenly generated a string of code that, when translated, formed a coherent message. "We are here." At first, the team assumed it was a joke or a glitch, but as they examined the data further, it became clear that this was not a simple error. The message wasn't the result of any known encryption method or internal programming. It had appeared on its own, and it didn't stop there. Shortly after, another message appeared. Stop. It was as though something, or someone, was aware of what they were doing and was urging them to halt. The moment this message appeared, NASA security protocols were activated, and the project was shut down. All research was classified, and those involved were reportedly forced to sign non-disclosure agreements. Some insiders claimed that government agencies had taken control of the project, removing all records and shutting down the quantum computing lab entirely. Officially, it was deemed a technical malfunction, but those who were present knew the truth. What did NASA discover? Several theories have emerged regarding what truly happened. One possibility is that the quantum computer accidentally connected to another dimension or a parallel universe, where intelligent life exists. This theory aligns with the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, which suggests that every decision creates a new branch of reality. Could NASA's quantum computer have bridged the gap between worlds, allowing communication with an intelligence from another plane of existence? Another theory posits that the quantum system detected something unnatural in the fabric of space-time. Was it an anomaly, a cosmic disturbance, or perhaps evidence that our universe is a simulation? Some researchers have long speculated that our reality is nothing more than an advanced simulation running on a cosmic scale. If this is the case, Then NASA's quantum computer may have uncovered evidence of this and stumbled upon the code that governs our reality. The aftermath: strange occurrences and disappearances. Following the shutdown, unsettling reports began to surface from those involved in the project. Some scientists claimed to have experienced vivid dreams and visions of an unknown presence watching them. Others reported strange behavior from electronic devices, as if something was interfering with their surroundings. One researcher, who later resigned from NASA, allegedly confided in a close friend, "We should have never run that program. We saw something we weren't meant to see." Perhaps most disturbingly, several key members of the research team have disappeared from public view. Their social media accounts have vanished. Their names no longer appear in research publications. It's as if they were erased from existence. The government cover-up. If NASA discovered something beyond our understanding, it would explain the sudden and complete shutdown of the project. Governments have a long history of concealing information that challenges the status quo, especially when it pertains to groundbreaking scientific discoveries. Some believe that the quantum computer uncovered something so profound that it had to be buried immediately. Others suggest that the computer made contact with an intelligence so advanced that NASA recognized it was too dangerous to continue. But if this is true, what did they find? What did they see? And more importantly, is it still watching us? The future of quantum computing. Despite the abrupt end of this particular project, quantum computing is not going away. Tech giants like Google, IBM, and Microsoft continue to invest billions in advancing this technology. NASA, too, is not giving up. While this specific project was terminated, research into quantum mechanics is continuing behind closed doors. The question remains, will the public ever learn the truth? The underground revival. Rumors have begun to circulate that NASA never truly abandoned the quantum computing project. According to anonymous sources, the computer was relocated to a classified underground facility, far from public scrutiny. This new facility, some believe, is located hundreds of meters beneath the Nevada desert, within a decommissioned military bunker designed to withstand nuclear and biological threats. But why would a quantum computer need this level of security unless it had become something far more dangerous than anyone could have imagined? The final message. As the project continued in secrecy, strange occurrences persisted. One night, a researcher discovered a new program within the system's logs. Observer detected. At first, the team believed it was an error, but when the security cameras malfunctioned, one of the lead researchers, Dr. Marcus Feldman, vanished. His access badge, lab coat, and personal items were found untouched, but he was gone. The quantum system then displayed a chilling message. Error. Observer not found.